Let's look at how we can navigate from one slide to another. PowerPoint has the concept of actions or links that let you click on a shape or even hover on a shape to jump to a different slide. The command that is used in PPTXHandler and SlideSense is the link command. Let's take this input presentation and we'll create a few new slides. Slide 2, slide 3, slide 4, and slide 5. And what we want is to click here to go to slide, let's say 3, and click to go to the last slide, let's say, whatever is the last slide. To enable this, we could right click and select a link here to go to a place in this document, such as slide 3. But let's do this in an automated way. We haven't done this yet. This clicking on this particular link doesn't go anywhere, just goes to the next slide, which is the same as when you click anywhere on the slide. What we'll do is put in a rule. Let me type these rules. For rectangle 1, we want a link that goes to slide 3. We can specify the value as a number or as a reference, such as first, last, next, or previous. Back is going to the last viewed slide. So if you jumped somewhere, then jump back, and end is to end the show. It can also be a file or a URL, and you can say no action to remove any existing link on that shape. So rectangle 1, we want it to jump to slide 3, and oval 2, we want it to go to the last slide, which must be in F quotes. With this, let's run SlideSense and see what the output's going to look like. Now that output's come through, you'll notice that when I hover on this rectangle, it says slide 3 and control click to follow the link. But let's run it in slideshow mode. When I click on this, it goes to slide 3, not slide 2. If I had clicked anywhere else, it would have gone to slide 2. But when I click on this rectangle, it goes to slide 3. Now let's go back. Clicking here takes me to the last slide. If I press space, there's no slide after this. That's what the link command does. Now, instead of doing this on clicking, we can also do this on hover. Generally not such a good idea because people move the mouse around and it is disturbing to suddenly jump to another place when you're just moving the mouse. So this is rarely used, but you could do it. The other thing that you could do is add a tooltip to this. And when you add a tooltip, usually it's for a link. So let's add that. Say tooltip : jump, this needs to be in F quotes, jump to third, let's say jump to third slide. It's fine. And here we can put in a tooltip saying thank you slide, for example. And let's run, I need to close this. And now if I hover over the output, it says jump to third slide. If I hover over this, it doesn't say anything. It does. Okay, thank you slide. I need to keep it positioned there for some time instead of moving it around. So jump to third slide, thank you slide. And when I click on it, of course, the action is still preserved. So that's how you use these commands. And remember, you can also open a URL, in which case PowerPoint will open your browser, or a file, which can be another presentation, in which case you can link together multiple presentations.